in this time, in our world right now, where people, parents, individuals are living in chronic stress, kids and adults. We're living under chronic stress that is changing the way that our bodies and our brains are functioning, which is changing the tools that we have to engage and connect with our world. And the biggest question that parents are having right now is this going to impact my child now, but long term? Are they going to be okay? And in order for you to answer that question and to be a trusted advisor and a foundational member of the team to help these children adapt to the stressors, to have a healthy trajectory of brain development so that we can be as efficient as possible now and long term in our behavior, learning, and socialization, is to be able to lead with brain development, to make the case for what you do and know it very well and have congruent processes in your clinical practice as a student or as you're learning this and in your practice, and be able to communicate it to the parents and to your communities. I'm so excited that we have so many motivated, intelligent students and chiropractors in this profession who want to help. We just need to find the simplicity. I think now, if you're a student, this is the best time to be learning this information because it allows you to learn this in the gift that was given to me. It allows you to learn chiropractic through the lens of brain development. So you never go down that path of chasing deficits. Doesn't mean you can't do those other things or learn those cool tools. I do a lot of those things too. It's just I do them in a hold apart way as the foundation being chiropractic. I hope this was helpful and gave you a few new points to think about and started to help you to develop that triangle of simplicity and your understanding of brain development, input, processing, output, so that you can start to develop your brain-based tools and your brain-based tool bag to be the best student chiropractor, intern, and practicing chiropractor, because right now, the parents, the families, the world absolutely needs practitioners who can talk to them, not about chasing deficits or symptoms, but about expression of life and long-term function and long-term development. If you want to know more, join us. We have a free Facebook group. We'll put it in the end here. Students, we have a different one for educators, students, chiropractors, chiropractic staff. You can join that. We do a lot of lessons in there. There's hundreds and hundreds of people in there. Join us in that. We also have our certification series. Level 1 certification is instant access online. So as soon as you sign up, you can jump into that. It's a one-time payment, or we can spread it out into monthly payment. We have student discounts. And then level 2 to complete the certification is done in person. And we're teaching that once a year. And that'll be in the spring of 2021. And then we have advanced support after that. So we're here for you on whatever level you can access us. Please join us. Be committed to helping develop your brain-based understanding of how to lead with brain development to make the case for what you do. And you will never turn back because it is a very fun and rewarding way to practice. Be well.